because you are the host for this Zoom session.
I have started recording.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the login page, okay, of Modern College. Now I can redesign this page too with some good content on that, and then we'll give you option to go to different courses. We can name it the way they want. So this is already with around 8,500 students. It is already there, and,
right.
and they are actively using. So if I log into it, and so now I'm logging as an admin, but they have mobile app for them to log in. So from here, we can go and give it to them. So they're going to.
Sorry, Siddhartha. At present, what are you offering to these 8,000 students? Are there some courses you are offering, or?
So as a college, we are offering everything what we have, but to student, we are offering this Moodle LMS. So they got a content there. So see, when I click on it, now single sign in, it goes there. And if I go for an course here, so I have different courses here.
So the normal college courses, right?
Yes, normal college courses. That's correct. So they had.
And from your side, they learn about Moodle.
Yes. So okay. Teachers upload the content and then they do it. So what I am thinking of is we will have a login page. On login page, we can offer the courses which you are mentioning.
Right.
So only thing is we need to be ready with like answers. So then that can help.
Sure. Now, what are the type of questions which you anticipate if based on your interaction with them?
Yeah. Number one, they will say, okay, how much it cost. Then it will be when it will start and how it will be conducted. And whether they can see the demo or some glimpse, like what is the course content or certificate or any maybe testimonials if we have.
Right. And so, certification.
Yeah, there should be somebody to entertain them, like to answer their queries.
Sure. And the queries that they will make will appear on this platform only, right?
It will come. We can make it, for example, if I go for this one, okay, on my platform, so we can offer them something like integration with something tool like this, okay. And if they start this one, then it comes to maybe I can install an app on Parag's mobile or whoever you tell, and then they can get the queries instantly online.
All of it, and they can reply from the app only.
Exactly, and then I will also have a copy of it, or maybe the transaction, whatever they say, that copy of it can go to an email, whatever you say.
Good, very good.
So maybe in a week's time we can do, but you need to be ready maybe on the answers like duration, cost, and the content.
Duration, cost, and content. Now, as per your experience, what would be the cost which will be, appealing to them?
To be honest, I'm very new to this, but if you see here, like what college students can offer, maybe 700 to 800 rupees per course online. If it is, that should be okay.
That's what we have also been thinking, around 800 rupees.
Yes, yeah, because that's like online, and they can receive certificate. And in that case, if promoted well, if the feedbacks are good, it can go in masses.
That's correct. And then a part of this fee will come to you, right?
Correct, yeah. That also we should agree on, but that's too early to. We can start, like we can think of, and then you help us with some different leads, and we help you get this one. That way also it will work, because see, you are also working with colleges. So you take us there, and we will take you to colleges we are in. So commercial angle should not be, so that we will have transparency. We are just promoting you, as a additional feature.
Sure. That's a good way of doing it.
Yeah. So that will help as an add-on. So
Fine.
currently
And we will
we can do this. So this we can do it for modern college. Then we can do this for Mohiti Sir's college also.
Yes.
Because that's also with us. And in Goa we got 7 colleges.
Okay, very good.
So that also, because it is, if it is going to be online, it need not be in Pune only or in area. It can be anywhere.
Sure. Sure.
That we can do.
Okay, very good. Now, did you have a chance to look at the one-page document that
I did. It looks appealing. Yeah. It looks appealing. Only now with that we can like start getting in questions from them, so that we should be able to. So what I suggest, like maybe I can take one course, like maybe a professional course like BBA or multimedia students, more onto a professional one, and we can send them this thing. But only thing is, I suggest if you are in Pune or online, we need to have one meeting with this modern college principal or this IQSC coordinator.
Sure, we can do that.
To introduce that, so that you know that they are in contact, because see, they are the best seller. Instead of we promoting it, if they promoted it, it is better.
Sure. Maybe with Mr. Vipul together, one of us can go. And you said this is the modern college, which is in Ganesh Kind or in Shivaji Nagar?
No, it is in Shivaji Nagar.
Okay, because Ganesh Kind, we had some contact before. Some of their teachers we had trained. But Shivaji Nagar, I'm not sure, but there's no problem. We can meet them with somebody from, Mogra.
Currently, they have given us 3 campuses. One is Ganesh Kind, which we have not yet started. We have only conducted Moodle training. We have started with Shivaji Nagar. They have 2 campuses. One is near to their this management office, which is the BBA campus, and the Ganesh Kind this Shivaji Nagar campus, main campus. So these 2 are up and running now. All their data migration training, everything is done, and we have dedicated resource also there.
Wonderful, wonderful. So your role at present is to help their teachers to develop contents, and then you put them on Moodle that will be accessible to the students who have already been trained by you. Am I right?
That is one part of it. Another, like we have done for them now, admission, online admission, payment gateways. So everything, complete college management, we have given to them now.
Okay, very good.
Academic and administration.
Sure. So then what we can do is that over the next couple of days, we will work on the more details of the content, of the number of hours, of the activities, projects they can do. And then we'll again be in touch with you to decide which is a good day to go next week, maybe sometime, with Mr. Vipul, and meet the IQC coordinator or the principal or whoever is, the right person.
Sure. We can do that for sure.
Okay.
Thank you for your time. And then we can meet it like this also, because more interaction we do, we will get more clarity.
Yes, that's right. Of course. Very true. Okay. Let me see if my colleague is here, Dr. Shashi Gaikwad. I think you have not met before. Yes, Dr. Shashi Gaikwad is Assistant Director.
Yeah, hello, ma'am.
Hello, sir. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Nice to
see you. Same here, ma'am. Perfectly fine. So thank you for the call, and we will get in touch next week.
May I just check if Mr. Parag or Mrs. Preeti have any questions to ask? Do you want to ask anything?
I have one question that suppose if we are giving them our courses on login ID, the number of options will be available. So do you think that if more number of courses we can offer, will it be useful, or we should go only with the one course?
Both way, it is up to you. So you decide. So definitely courses should be different, so that like we have the options now with us to create different packages. So the one capsule which you send should be one course. If you have another area of life skill, that should be another course. So maybe to
Yes.
promote, we can give them, okay, this is a combo of these two different courses and there is some discount. So that can be done. But to start with, let's explore one.
Yes, one we should explore. Yeah.
Yeah. But that's a good idea that we can have different courses and give the combo early bird like that. So it can work.
That's right. Yes, it's pretty. Yeah.
Sir, one more thing I think we should have is if we can record 5 or 10 minutes video professionally, like explaining the importance, okay, creating like, maybe yourself or somebody really in that who, student can get inspired of.
Sure.
Okay.
An introductory video. For a
Yeah,
few
so
minutes.
that will help to as an eye opener for student. Yes, I can
Very
answer her question now.
Yes. And by the way, do the students prefer Marathi in their communications or English?
Most of them they speak
Marathi.
Marathi, but English also it will help because that's what we are pushing for.
Right. Right. Sure. Okay. Yes, Miss Priti.
Hello, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Actually, that day you mentioned that you supposed to add us on that professional ethics course on your platform, accounting course related to BBA.
That actually this CA guys, no, they have some IP things they are saying. So that
Yeah.
particular idea did not work. So, but we can see, we can maybe have a meeting with them directly and you, if that works, then we can have some case studies as sir mentioned. So I can just connect you both, the CA people and you, so that it works together.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Very nice meeting you, talking to you.
Thank you.
And now we'll work on whatever we have discussed so far. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
And hope that we can meet soon again.
Sure, sure. Thank you very much.
If your recording has come good, please share a copy with us.
Yeah, we will do. Thank you. I will do that.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you so much.